GLS 600, how to replace this seat belt guide. So this seat belt guide is coming the GLS Maybach, S-Class Maybach. So for removing and replacement of this seat belt guide, just we have to unlock this two lock, then you can get the access to remove this seat belt guide. Left side, just push inside, then rotate it anti-clockwise, then you can access this one. Now break the lock and remove the seat belt. There are two locks, that one holding this seat belt guide. So this right side push inside and then rotate. So first fix this lock. Then fix another lock. Now press together. After fixing properly, just push inside and then rotate it clockwise. This holder are holding this lock, so like this you can see here, push inside, then it's going inside and it's lock this blockage.